A drone swarm is a group of drones working together. They move as one coordinated system. Each drone communicates with the others. They share data in real time. The swarm divides into smaller attack groups. Each group moves toward its target. The swarm scans and detects multiple targets. Each drone identifies its assigned objective.
The swarm attacks multiple targets at once. This overwhelms defense systems.
Defending against swarms is extremely difficult. Too many targets overwhelm defenses. Swarm systems use AI, GPS, and data links. They operate as one intelligent network.